Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to customize your notification settings like stopping or allowing the notification from the sites on your Android phone when using Chrome app. So right now the Chrome app is already launched. Now if you want to customize the notifications, what you can do is you can tap on these three dot options, go to settings, and within the settings you can go to site settings, and here you can see the fourth option, which is notifications, and it is set to ask first. So what it does is whenever a site is trying to send you a notification or requesting the permission to access the notification feature, it will ask whether you want to allow it or not. Based on your selection, the notification will be allowed or disallowed from that particular site. However, if you want to block all the notifications, what you can do is you can simply toggle off this switch and it will block all the notifications from all the sites, and no site can request you the permission to allow the notifications. Now there is also an option where you can enable this option for notifications, and you can choose to use the quieter messaging checkbox, where it will display the notification but it doesn't make any sounds or anything. It will just show the notifications in the notification bar or notification panel. Now if you want to customize at a system level, what you can do is you can go to the Android settings, and within the Android settings you can go to the notifications, and within the notification go to app notification, and you can see currently the Chrome has the permission to send the notifications. You can just toggle off this switch. What it will does it will not allow Chrome to send any kind of notifications on your Android phone. So in this way you can customize the notification settings at an app level as well as at a system level on your Android phone for your Chrome app. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.